Hello there, here we go again, speaking to Manje when Kevin talks about money. Let's grow our wealth, let's grow the economy. Today, in this episode, I would like to teach you more of selling online and where to sell your items. In Uganda, in particular, I'm here to let you know where to sell your items. But before we go on, subscribe and like the video, share, turn on your post bell notification. Thank you. Let's proceed. In today's video, I'm here to outline shops where you would sell your items without leaving your comfort zone, without leaving your work, without leaving your home, without leaving your parents' home. And today I'll give you the list of these shops where you'll be able to post the item, put the price, upload the image, then post. And eventually, if someone orders, a notification would come to your phone, then you deliver a product either through a retail company like Jumia, or you deliver directly to your client like on Gigi. Number one, let's go to number one most easy selling retail online shop. That's Gigi for me. Why Gigi? Gigi, it lets you to connect directly between you and your customer. This is so helpful because let's say a client wanted a white t-shirt, but in stock you left with a red or blue t-shirt. So it's easy for you to speak to the client directly about colors available and the size, which is not the same case with some other retail shops. So Gigi is my number one. Go on Gigi, post anything old, something you don't want to use, something new. On that platform, you would make up to like 3 million a month. Let's say that's your side income. Number two, I would also recommend to go to Jumia. As we know that Jumia has now even hit the stock market in the USA because it's with its parent company, which is Amazon. It's a nice platform as long as you have genuine products. Let's say you have great products, makeup, shoes, mobile phones, television sets, etc. You would sign up with Jumia and start to make money. Number three, I would recommend KibokoMart. KibokoMart is emerging in Uganda as other companies have done before. All you need to do is to sign up with KibokoMart, upload the photos. They have their team that would assist you to upload the photos, then you start to sell online. And number four, I would recommend Avi256. Avi256.com is also an emerging online retail site whereby vendors would speak directly to their clients and just upload your products, sign up, upload nice photos. Remember, all nice photos should have white background. Remember, choose products that are here to solve problems. Remember this, choose items that are here to solve problems. Let's say now we are in a digital world and almost everyone is using a mobile thermal printer. Invest your money in mobile thermal printers. They will make you some good of money. And here we go. Number five, if you want to sell online, we have TBL Trading Company. TBL Trading Company is also here to help you sell your items more easily online. Remain in your comfort zone. You're at office, you home, you're a single mom, or you are mother left with lots of kids, no way to move out, you're occupied. These sites are here to make life much easier for you. With only those listed below. As for now, if there are others, I'll be coming up in the next video and to let you know which site is good for you. Remember to subscribe, share, turn on your post bell notification that you don't miss out any of our videos. Big thanks to my team, Swabra on camera, Sham. Thank you. See you in the next episode.